Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to show you how can you fix your USB drivers to work in your latest macOS Mojave in your Hackintosh build. So as you can see, I'm running a Hackintosh machine with the latest macOS Mojave version, that is 10.14.4. I updated this version yesterday only, and after updating to this version, I faced a problem of like none of my USB devices were working. I tried like all my USB ports, but nothing was working. So I'm going to show you how can you fix this in a easy way. This is a like very easy process. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and all your USB ports like USB 3.1 or USB 3.0 all will be working. I also have a USB Type C port on my motherboard and two USB 3.1 ports, and I tested them with this speed test from the Blackmagic speed test, and everything works fine. So let's get started. Let's open your browser and head over to a website called Tony Mac x86. I will be placing this link on the description also. So just visit this website, Tony Mac x86. You can search it on Google. Just a second. Let me get this. Yeah. Okay. So when you're on the website, just go to the download section and search for Multibeast 11.1.0 Mojave. This one, we need this one. So just download this version, this one. To download this from site, make sure that you are logged into this account. You need to create your account if you don't have one at Tony Mac x86. So just create an account and log into your account. After logging into your account, after that only you will see this download button. So after this appear, just click on the download button. Your file will start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. So I have already flashed this fix earlier, so all of my USB ports are working. As you can see, USB 3.1 is detecting this all the things that are connected to the 3.1 bus, and USB 2.2 is also working. Okay, so once it's downloaded, open the folder. You will find this Multibeast app. Just double click on it to run this app. Okay, so after clicking on the Multibeast app, this screen will appear. Now head over to this driver section. In the driver section, head over to this USB one, and just tick mark these below two options: USB inject all and remove XHA USB port limit. So in the latest macOS Mojave update, there is a limit on the USB port, so we have to flash these two files. After you have tick marked on this, both of these, just click on the build button, select your partition where your Hackintosh is installed. This is mine, and after that just click on the install button. Agree, enter your password. That's all. Just wait for it to finish. After it finishes, just reboot your device, and all your USB ports and everything will start working fine. Okay, so when next time you will receive any update for macOS Mojave anything, and if you're facing the same problem, you just have to do this. You just have to download the latest Multibeast from the Tony Mac x86 website and just flash these USB files. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.